Bonjour, mademoiselle. Oh.
That'll do.
Is this where we sing the skin song?
I think that's alright. That should be it. Yeah, you can see. You know, plenty.
Yeah, can you see me? Are you taping or what?
Yeah, I'm taping.
Oh, right, yeah, okay.
That's cruising. Right.
My one skin lies over my two skins. My two skin lies over my three. My three skin lies over my four skin. That's enough.
Stop
Sorry. The boys are here, the boys to entertain you. Bloody hell, what are you doing over there? This is a family show, I told you.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Talking helmets.
Talking helmet.
Talking helmet.
Well, that's the first.
Well, you've heard talking bollocks.
Yeah. Is it true the knobs to stop me man from slipping off?
I did that, Rick.
Oh, fucking fire on way over there. Fucking Baltic in it. Are we filming?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry, it's a case of trots. I've got the trots.
It's contagious. Oh, pardon.
Pardon, monsieur. That is not a fine wine. That is a fine man. Gonna move. The toolbox is collapsing. What? Shh. What's your shit?
Watch it.
Oh, wife's up. Oh yeah. Hide the beer. They're quick. No, fucking empties, you twat. Handbrake's gone. Get in.
Oh, let him.
We can use to start it off with.
Salute.
What's
No,
that mean?
I think it means hi.
Le chien meurt dans le jardin. Part 2.
Part 2. It's a bit fucking fish.
Yeah, it's a bit like me, like, you know.
That's the one.
Hello, children.
Right.
Welcome to the show.
But yes, it might have been running at some point in its life, but it
Oh, is that you? Oh, that's disgusting.
No, I'm trying to do this.
Open the door. The fan's blowing this way.
A bit of consumer advice, tubers, about the AGV K3SV helmet. This of it. What's that?
Getting excited. Oh yeah! Don't his helmet talk. Sorry. Oh.
The Tourette 100.
It's a terror, not Tourette's.
Tourette's.
Tourette's is where you can't stop fucking swearing, isn't it? It's a terror.
I would do that again. Pissed at me, I don't know.
That's like the rest of us.
Sponsored by Shane's World. Shane's World. For all your sports massaging needs.